All right, welcome back. We've been making ratatouille all morning in the Chef Anthony test kitchen, and we also have a few guests here this morning. This is a recipe that you guys have made in your culinary club. What are some other things that you guys have made that you've enjoyed making? Frankie, let's start with you.
Let's see. Yesterday we made a pie, raspberry, strawberry, and peach.
Had you ever made a pie before?
No.
No. So that was a new experience for you.
Yes.
All right. What was fun about it? Doing it. Putting you on the spot.
Yes, very much. Let's see.
Did you learn any new techniques as you were making it?
Yes.
That's good.
Very much.
That's good. What about you, Lacey? What was your favorite thing to make?
My favorite thing to make was honestly the ratatouille. It was honestly really good when I tried it, and I'm not a vegetable person very much.
So it was a new way to get you to eat your vegetables, I guess you'd say, and they're vegetables that, you don't commonly see on a kid's plate, for sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we're talking squash and zucchini and what else do we have in here?
Eggplant.
Eggplant? This looks delicious. Oh my goodness. And of course, you're learning all about presentation in the culinary club as well.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Height and how beautiful it looks.
Mm-hmm. Mixture of colors, and like you said, height is always a big thing too. All right, you've got some future prospects here with you this morning.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
We'll put a little fresh basil right on the top, just so that it's appealing to the eye.
And this is basil that the school is growing itself.
Yes, this is basil that the school is growing itself for us to use. And it just gives this nice little bit of character to it right at the end.
How pretty.
And there you go. Isn't that just an absolute gorgeous plate?
All right. Yeah, we can get a close-up of that if we can. Yeah. How pretty. I'm letting it cool just a little bit because it came straight out of the oven. Chris, don't worry. I'm going to save some for you.
I appreciate that.
I
I'm looking
brought
forward
Chris
to
an
trying.
extra fork so he could come on
You
over
even
here
got your own
and try
fork.
one.
Come join me.
Okay, all right. He said
Chris has never had ratatouille before. One cool thing about, everyone jokes about the movie Ratatouille and stuff, but I'd never tried ratatouille before the movie. It in my opinion, it was kind of like an old dying recipe that they used to make, but like the ratatouille brought back its popularity.
It did, and like I said, ratatouille used to be a peasant stew, but they changed it for this and elevated it up a little bit. But one of the key things that people forget is if you remember the scene when they served it to Anton Ego, it was right after he said, "If I don't love the food, I won't swallow it." But you sat there and you watched him just go to town and finish his entire plate and lick the plate clean. Food invokes memories. And for him, it was the memory of going home and having his mom making it for him. That's why the flashback happened. Mm-hmm. And the beauty of a dish, if the seasoning and the time is taken to present the same elegant dish, just in a new manner, can invoke those new experiences and new memories for you. What do you think?
I have a new experience that I just burned my tongue.
I told you to blow on it.
I did, well, kind of, but no, that's really good.
Isn't it?
I mean, the thing is, the dish looks too good to eat as it is, but I mean, it tastes delicious.
This is a great way to get the kids to eat their vegetables.
I would agree because I like it a lot. I even spilled some here.
He's eating off the table. Yeah.
Hey, I got kids. I'm used to it. We do it all the time.
We clean the table before you guys come. Just saying.
Mostly.
I think we
Well,
did anyway.
I'm glad you guys enjoy this. This is one of the things that I really, really get a big kick out of doing with the students. When they get to experience something like this, and then last night we made pies from scratch.
That's awesome.
Getting that experience and just experiencing something new
All
and
right.
seeing an accomplishment like that is priceless.
Any idea what you might be making next week? Still in the works?
Go ask Mary.
Oh. I will.
I think I know exactly what he's talking about. Do you know what he's talking about? There's a song that involves Mary, and I
Did you take her lambs?
She had a little lamb.
She had.
She
Past
had
tense.
a little lamb.
Yes. And
okay,
then
see, what was it you introduced me to last week? some meat that I'd never had before.
Lamb
We had
chops.
lamb chops.
No,
Yes.
it wasn't lamb chops. It was something else.
No, it was lamb chops.
Was it?
Herb crusted lamb chops. Yes.
Ha! Okay, well, I guess I've had lamb.
We're going to take lamb and make a classic meatloaf.
Ooh, that'll
That's
be
an
delicious.
interesting
Lamb and
twist on
meatloaf.
meatloaf.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we are out of time this morning, and these two need to get back to school.
Yep.
So I guess you do too.
Now, I heard that all the way over here. I heard that.
Well, keep up the great work. You guys are doing awesome, and thank you so much. And
Of course.
see you again next week.
Same time, same place.
We'll be right back.